Welcome to the ultimate guide to losing weight fast without dieting. Are you tired of trying to lose weight with traditional methods such as calorie counting and restrictive diets? Do you want to learn how to lose weight without having to take drastic measures? Well then, you've come to the right place. In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 ways to lose weight fast without dieting. First, we'll discuss the importance of eating smaller meals throughout the day. Eating a large meal can cause your blood sugar to spike, leading to weight gain. By eating smaller meals throughout the day, you will keep your blood sugar levels steady, which will help you lose weight. In addition, eating smaller meals throughout the day can help curb cravings and prevent overeating. Eating smaller meals will help you stay full for longer periods of time, making it easier to resist the temptation to snack between meals. This can help you maintain a healthy weight and avoid unhealthy snacking habits. Finally, eating smaller meals more frequently can help you get the nutrients your body needs. Eating smaller meals allows you to get more of the vitamins and minerals you need for good health. Eating in this way can also help boost your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories and lose weight. Second, we'll talk about the importance of drinking plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water is essential for weight loss because it helps to flush out toxins from your body and keep your metabolism functioning at its optimal level. When you drink enough water, your body is able to break down fat more efficiently, which helps you to lose weight. In addition, drinking water keeps your body hydrated and helps your body to absorb essential nutrients more effectively. Water also helps to reduce hunger cravings, which can help you to stay on track with your diet and exercise plan. Finally, drinking water can help you to stay energized and alert throughout the day, which can help you to stay motivated and achieve your weight loss goals. Third, we'll discuss the benefits of exercising regularly. Exercising regularly is essential to losing weight fast without dieting. Exercise can help you burn calories quickly, build muscle tone, and boost your metabolism. It can also help you feel more energized and motivated to make healthy lifestyle choices. Regular exercise can help you lose weight in a few different ways. First, exercise can help you burn calories quickly. When you exercise, you burn an increased amount of calories, which can help you lose weight faster. In addition, regular exercise can help build muscle mass, which increases your metabolism and helps you burn calories even when you are not actively exercising. This increases the amount of calories you burn throughout the day, making it easier to lose weight faster. Second, exercise can help you develop better eating habits. When you are exercising regularly, you are more likely to make healthier food choices. Exercise can also help reduce your appetite, which can help you avoid overeating. Additionally, exercise can help reduce stress and improve your mood, both of which can help you make better decisions about the foods you eat. Finally, regular exercise can help you stay motivated and on track with your weight loss goals. Exercise can increase your energy levels and make you feel more capable of accomplishing your goals. Additionally, when you see the results of your hard work, it can be encouraging and motivating. Exercise can also help you stay accountable to your diet, as it can help you stick with your healthy lifestyle choices. Exercising regularly is an important part of losing weight fast without dieting. It can help you burn calories quickly, build muscle mass, and reduce your appetite. It can also help you stay motivated and on track with your weight loss goals. If you are looking to lose weight fast without dieting, then regular exercise is an essential part of your weight loss plan. Fourth, we'll discuss the importance of getting enough sleep. Sleep is one of the most important factors in weight loss and can be a powerful tool in helping to lose weight fast without dieting. Not getting enough sleep can affect your hormones and metabolism, leading to weight gain and difficulty losing weight. When you don't get enough sleep, your body's stress hormone cortisol increases, which can lead to increased appetite and cravings. Getting enough sleep helps to regulate your appetite and cravings so that you can stay on track with your weight loss goals. Another way lack of sleep can affect weight loss is by decreasing the body's ability to burn calories. The body needs energy to burn calories, and when it is not getting enough sleep, it cannot get that energy from sleep. This can lead to your body not burning calories efficiently, resulting in weight gain. Getting enough sleep also helps to improve your overall mood and energy levels. When you are tired, it is easier to give in to cravings and make unhealthy choices. When you are well rested, it is much easier to make healthy food choices and stick to your weight loss plan. Lastly, getting enough sleep helps to reduce stress levels, which can help to control cortisol levels. When cortisol levels are high, it can lead to increased cravings and difficulty losing weight. Getting enough sleep will help to reduce stress so that you can focus on your weight loss goals and stay on track. In summary, getting enough sleep is essential for successful weight loss. It helps to regulate appetite, improve energy levels, burn calories efficiently, and reduce stress. Make sure you get enough rest every night and you will be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Finally, we'll discuss the importance of avoiding processed and sugary foods. The importance of avoiding processed and sugary foods in order to lose weight fast without dieting cannot be overstated. Eating processed and sugary foods can lead to an array of health problems, including weight gain. Not only are processed and sugary foods unhealthy, but they also lack the essential nutrients that are necessary for weight loss. Processed foods, such as chips and crackers, are typically high in calories and contain unhealthy fats, sodium, and sugar. Eating these foods can lead to weight gain because they are often consumed in large quantities and provide little nutritional value. Additionally, processed foods are often high in calories and low in fiber, which can slow down digestion and make it difficult to lose weight. Sugary foods, such as candy and soda, are also unhealthy and contribute to weight gain. Sugary foods are often high in calories and lack essential nutrients, such as fiber, protein, and vitamins and minerals. Additionally, sugary foods can cause a spike in blood sugar, which can lead to cravings for more sugary foods and make it difficult to lose weight. To lose weight fast without dieting, it is important to avoid processed and sugary foods and focus on eating a healthy, balanced diet. A healthy diet should include plenty of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. By avoiding processed and sugary foods and focusing on a healthy lifestyle, you can achieve your weight loss goals without having to resort to dieting. By following these simple tips, you can easily lose weight without having to diet. So, what are you waiting for? Start today and see the results for yourself. I hope you found this helpful and that you start seeing results soon. Thanks for watching.